Hi, dear friends. Welcome to Top Education. In this session, guys, we are knowing the summary of what is moral action. And, guys, this is written or narrated by M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and he is our father of nation. So, first of all, we should know what is moral action. I will give you a sweet example. Okay, so, in a road, a old lady is going, okay? And the old lady has a chocolate and the old lady want to cross the road. You will go help her and take the chocolate. As she is giving the chocolate, you will take and come off. So this is not a moral action. This is not a moral action. What is moral action? I will say. Now a lady is going in a road. You will just say, "Excuse me, ma'am, you want to cross the road?" She will say, "Yes, come, ma'am." And she will offer you money or chocolate, but you should not take. So that is called moral action. The thing or the help which is done without any fruit, without any gain, is known as moral action. Yes. Now I'll just read out some points which is from the summary only, and I'll just explain you also. Gandhiji mentions 6 qualities of an action which qualify it to be called moral. Now, there are 6 qualities which make you moral. First is trustful, means truthful, honesty, and other things and all will come in this point. 6 qualities. And if you don't follow those 6 qualities, then you are a immoral person, non-moral person. Many actions are done because they are part of society's convention. We have our food, we sleep, we get up, we help our mom and all. This is all normal things. Without such behavior, there will be an anarchy in society. Such acts are non-moral. Now, if you are helping a person, like, yes, you should give me 500 rupees, then only I will complete your notes. This is immortal. This is non-moral. Yes. See, now your friend was like, he had some diseases, he had some, not COVID-19, okay? So don't laugh here. Okay, so he was having some diseases like, okay, he had chicken pox and he was 2 weeks he was in home. He had not completed his classwork and all. Now you will just complete his classwork and give. So that is known as moral action. Okay, so be like that. An act to be called moral should be spring from our own will. See, now the what I was giving the example. No, the boy was sick. He should not say, "Please complete and give my notes." It is you. Please give your notes. I will complete and give off. So that is known as moral action. Yes. So it should come from yourself. Yes, I should help my mom. Today I will broom the home, I will clean the home today. So that is known as moral action, guys. Should be not performed mechanically without any discrimination or thought. A good act is not a moral act if the person does not have the intention to do good. Results of our action should be left to the god. Alexander, though called great, was no moral. Yes? So you do your duty, guys. What your heart says, do it. Yes? The gift or what the god will give you. Don't ask. Yes? Do your duty and go off. That is known as moral action. And here also the Alexander, as he was great, but he was not moral. Why? Because he, what we say, he snatched many kingdoms. He killed many peoples and then he became the great Alexander. Yes, there should be no self-interest behind a moral action. Self-interest, yes, I want the chocolate, so I will work. Papa, you give me an iPhone. Yes, you give me an iPhone, then only I will score 90 out of 90 marks in my SLC. This is not moral action. You score 90 marks, your father will be ready to give you, not iPhone 11. Yes, so that is known as do yourself, go with your will. Okay, so there should be no self-interest. Even honesty cannot be practiced as the best policy. It should be the only policy. An act done from consideration of comfort and personal happiness in other world is non-moral. You're doing everything like you're donating now. Okay, the COVID situation is going on. You are rich, you're giving some food and you're taking the pics and putting in the online social media. So what happens? You're not moral. To show off, you're doing these things. Yes. Okay. Next, that the action is moral, which is done only for the sake of doing good. Now, the same example I will say you have donated food for the poor people, but you have not took any pics, you have not posted yet. Okay, that is known as moral action. You had done something good from your heart. That is different. And when you're posting your pics in your social media, that same food you're giving food, some pics you're putting in the social media, so that is like you're doing for your happiness. Yes, I had done something good, I have to share. No, in Hindi the wording is, अगर तुम एक हाथ से कुछ दे रहे हो किसी के लिए तो तुम्हारे दूसरे हाथ को पता नहीं चलना चाहिए. It means when you are donating something, the other hand should not get to know what you have donated. It means you should not spread across that you have donated something for others. St. Francis Xavier and St. Teresa had devoted souls who prayed to God because they loved Him. They prayed to God because they loved Him. Henry Clay and Daniel Webster lived virtuous life but sacrificed their virtue just once, thereby negating all good they had done. Gandhiji concludes that judging the morality of a man's action is very difficult since we cannot pretend the depths of his mind. Now, I am with my friend. Okay, friend, not best friend. Okay, friend. You know what is okay, friend. Now I know what is going in that person, what he's thinking about me. We cannot like what happened here is guys, the work which is done, we cannot find out it is done for moral or non-moral. But I will say you all guys, you are very good, you're awesome. Just follow moral action and you are the generation or you are the future of India. Please guys, follow moral actions. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like, then please subscribe our channel Top Education. Thank you.